What's up guys, this is Nick Gaming and today we are going to be making a water slide. So,
yay! I like water slides.
You always interrupt me when I'm saying so. What's up with that?
Well, I don't realize you're gonna say so. You're like, we're gonna be making a water slide, and you like pause like for me to do my thing, and then you're like, so, like as I'm in the middle of saying it. I'm like, oh, whoops.
Okay, to the other point. Let me feed these pigs.
Piggies.
Piggies. I hope I run out of carrots. Oh, I run out of carrots. Okay, oh, we have a sheep farm.
Yes,
Ooh.
we do. We just got that like 2 hours ago.
Oh, cool.
Okay. I think we should put the water slide on this mountain.
Wait, hold on.
Is there... Hold on with it. What? Oh, my shovel! It broke. No. Oh wait, I have an extra.
Could you hear me when I was talking?
No.
Okay,
I
good.
couldn't. My shovel. Where'd my shovel go? I dropped my shovel. I can't find it.
Snowmans. What?
Yeah, that's what happens when you shear the heads off the snowman. Oh no.
What? Oh, whoa.
I think I dropped my shovel. I lost my shovel forever.
Was it good?
It was a brand new shovel. No!
Was it
Oh
diamond?
no, I got it back. No, I got it back.
It wasn't diamond?
Found it. No, it's not a diamond shovel.
No, that's just stupid. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, I'm sorry, but I'm not the amazing miner that you are.
Should we go mining then?
No, I already have tons of stuff except for diamonds.
Okay,
Let's make the water slide.
Okay, I just want to see what's... Welcome to Sky Village. Population. The Sky Farm.
We've already been up there.
No, but there's like a long line.
Yeah, that leads to nowhere. I've already been down that road.
Still, you can fall in the water.
You want to jump off?
Oh, actually, I think it's a diving board.
It's not a diving board. It goes and leads over to Caleb's the other side of his whatever it's called, his underwater something or other.
Well, let's fall.
Jump off.
Top. Do you see me?
I want to see you jump. Yeah, I see you.
Are you sure?
Ready? Yes, I'm sure I see you.
Okay, I have to see you.
I see you. I promise I do.
But where are you?
I'm watching, and I'm on top of the mountain that we are going to be building the water slide.
Oh, I see you. Hello.
Hello. Okay, jump.
No, look.
Jump now before I throw snowballs at your face.
Oh! Oh no. Whew.
What if you landed on a lily pad? You just die. You're like, crap. All my experience is gone.
Again?
So this happens to me all the time.
Oh, I don't know if I do like that.
Where'd you get that boat?
Have you not heard my saying? Always keep a boat on you.
Oh yeah, that's right. I've totally forgot.
Did you not listen to that meeting? Or go to that meeting?
I heard you. Okay, let's start. I'll go get buckets for the water.
I have a bucket.
Water slide.
I will.
I have lots of buckets.
Here, you could do the water slide, and then I can go get levels. Does that sound good?
No, that does not sound good.
Here, I'll go start my house.
That's not But you have a house.
Well, a secret one, but...
Oh, so are we changing this up? Are we not doing the water slide?
No, you do the water slide, I do my house, then once you're done, then I'll watch or sleep.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll get lots of things accomplished.
I'm just gonna do it on top of your house so it's like a bunk bed or a
What?
apartment.
I thought it was going to be above your secret place.
Well, then everybody would know.
No, but then you have a secret entrance leading to your secret place.
Oh, yeah. Well, then everybody would know that now.
But no one knows where your secret place is.
But everybody would know to go in my house to go in it. So.
Yeah, but that's why it's a secret entrance.
But you just told them that it's above my secret place. Okay, I'm not gonna build it above my secret place. I'm just gonna build it somewhere around it.
Okay, you can build it like some. Oh yeah, did you see my gold armor stand in my blue leather armor stand in my house?
Nope.
You should check it out. It's pretty cool.
What do I have on this? Breaking 2? That's not good. Oh, Daniel's on.
DD101 is on.
Oh yeah, DD101.
Let's see, there's my wood. Wood.
Okay, I have tons of wood, but it's for my house.
I have tons of wood, and it's for whatever.
Wait, did that? Oh no, crap. Okay, good. I have to get rid of you, tree. And whoa, that's cool, I guess.
What's so cool?
There's 3 trees hooked together. You can look on the video.
Okay.
Yeah, just to help you, tree, to disappear. I'm gonna have some sword. Okay, anyway, what should it be by? Do you know what houses should be by? 10 by 10.
You can do. Oh, like what size or like where it is?
Where it is. Or
well,
no,
I think you should do it like. Oh. I don't know, about the size of Daniel's. His is a pretty good size. His is fun size.
I'll just do my size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just
5,
make it fun
6,
size.
7, 8, 9, 10. I'll just do 11 by 11.
11.
Is this the same? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, good. 1, so start from here. Put some dirt over here. We're gonna have to go to bed.
Oh, we are.
Uh-huh.
It is dark.
Ow! Okay.
Oh, I'm already to the top of the mountain. That was fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try this thing again. Ooh. Let's eat real quick. Okay, there we go. Now it won't necessarily.
Okay, ready for water slide
No!
droppings.
Wait, you're ready? Right now? Again? Or right now?
No, I'm now dropping. I'm gonna place the water down now.
Oh, okay.
So it'll be. Whoa!
What?
The water block, it froze.
Oh, so this is gonna be a problem.
I'm gonna have to place torches near it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Holy
Stop
crap. I'm gonna
freezing.
need a lot of wood.
Gotta hurry and get torches. So where is your house?
It's kind of above yours, but it's by yours.
Is it kind of or exactly?
Well, it's by yours.
Oh.
I feel like I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh boy.
No,
I
there.
have to run all the way back home to get
There it was.
torches. Do you have extra torches that you can give me?
I have 11, but I'm by your house.
That will.
No!
What?
Creeper
did you
blew
do?
up my house. Hey, it's only funny when a creeper blows up your house.
Zombie in my house! Ah!
Really?
No.
Yes.
No!
I
Yes.
mean, oh,
There's a
so
zombie.
sad.
Sure, like you have feelings for my house.
I do not, but I'll pretend.
Gotta hurry back. My ice, it's gonna freeze. No.
It froze. It froze.
Yeah, because it's on top of a mountain, it's freezing up there, so it freezes water. And so I have to place torches up there, so it melts.
Oh.
Why does
I
water have to
totally zoned off
freeze?
on what you said, so yeah.
Sure you did.
Wait, let's keep that there. So then we can do this. No, I better not run out. I ran out. Now I need more wood. Darn it. Oh, this is a big tree. I'll just leave it.
I'm gonna have a very long waterfall. No, it's
Oh.
still freezing.
It's still freezing, or it's still freezing?
Those sound exactly the same.
What? What did you say?
Those sounded exactly the same. That's what I said.
What does?
The same meaning. You said it's freezing or it's freezing.
Oh no, they cannot both stand for the same thing. Cause are you freezing? Or is it gonna freeze? Or is it gonna freeze? It's a totally different thing. So
I don't think so.
well then you're just wackadoodle. Oh my gosh.
I found a flower underwater.
Flower underwater. Sure.
Uh-huh. Must have gotten knocked by my awesome water current.
Oh no, I can't do
I'm
it
actually
this
getting
way.
pretty close to being done. This wasn't that hard. It was a lot easier than what I was thinking.
My house was a lot easier. Oh. I don't want to fall. Oh. Oh. Okay, I guess we're just gonna start from the top. Oh, it's so confusing. Wait, is that right? Yes, it is. Sweet. No! Ah, yes. Okay,
Think this is good,
uh-uh.
so as the boat doesn't run away.
It's gonna run away.
I know.
I know you know. I just wanted to make sure you know. I don't run out of wood. Please don't run. Oh! I had exactly enough wood for 3 sides. Oh,
Wow.
that was
You
close.
still need more wood though.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Huh. I'll leave that for direction. Or decoration. That's what it was.
There we go.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, you're already coming?
Huh?
Oh boy.
Get my boats ready. Oh yeah, did you plant some more pumpkins earlier?
No,
Or
not
like
more, but
days ago? Like a couple days ago?
yeah.
Oh yeah, a creeper blew that up and I was lazy so I just didn't do it.
Hike.
Sorry, I was bored. And I didn't want to do lazy stuff.
That is not an excuse.
For me it is. Okay,
Naughty excuses.
on your mark. Get set. Go. Whee! This isn't as fun.
What are you talking about?
Oh, yes it is. Oh, once you jump. That. Wait, can I go up it? Oh, wait, no, what? What? No. Oh, yeah.
Woo.
Can I go up it? I
Woo.
can't go up. I just sink when I... What? Why am I in this?
I'll go up it. I'm stinking.
Yeah,
Where's
that's
my
what
boat?
happened to me.
My boat, it's stuck.
Just break it. Did you break it?
Yes, I broke it.
Okay.
I can swim up a river.
Me too. I can also shoot up the river. You want to see? Oh, I don't have any arrows.
Oh, we're gonna go to bed soon.
I know. Hold on, I want to go up the sky river thing.
I'm almost to the top. And luckily it's not freezing. The water
Yeah.
isn't freezing. I
Yeah.
fixed it. I fixed the problem. Ow! No! No! My life's work! My life's work! Stop it! You're ruining my life's work!
It's not your life's work, it's a computer game.
Yes, it is! My life's work. Go away. Go away. Go away. No! My life's work!
Do I have knockback on the sword? Nope.
No, you better not hit me with the sword.
Oh, yes!
Oh, my life's work! Ah, my life's work!
I like this game.
This is not a fun game.
For me, it is.
No, I broke the torch! Replace the torch tank.
No!
Oh, I'm free! I'm free! No, go away. Stop it. I gotta eat. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You're breaking my tyke.
Kai,
What have you done?
what have you done?
That was not for me.
That was
Where
not for
was
me.
that? We better go to bed before another creeper explodes.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna jump off.
Sure, you know.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. Now it's
Wait,
your
I
legs
can't
to
place
work.
the boat. I can't. I can't place the boat. Stop.
That's what you did to me. That's a smart idea, but that way it takes forever.
So does you
Well,
keep
okay, let's go
punching
see
me.
your house. Let's go see your house.
Okay, let me go.
Let's
down
go see your
one
life's
time.
work. Whoa, okay, okay, I'll stay away.
Better.
I promise.
Sucker.
I'm in your boat!
What? No, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out.
Okay, let's go see your
Get
life's work.
out.
First, we have to see your life's work. Go around his house. Go around, yeah, go around that way.
Well, since you're in my boat, might as well take you somewhere.
No, we're gonna go see your house. Go, tyke. Let's go see your house. I made a special thing so that you can see. Okay, you see, go past my monster. There's a tunnel right there. Should
Yeah, I
see it.
can
Well, not
see
tunnel,
that.
but like, no, not that tunnel.
Not this tunnel.
This works. This works too. Yeah, this tunnel. Tyke,
Oh
you're
wait,
going
I know
the
what
wrong
you're
way.
talking about. Woo!
So how are you supposed to get up to your house? You just have to
You'll
climb the mountain.
see. I bet I can still
Oh, look
beat you.
I'm already here.
At my house?
Yeah, I'm at your house.
Touche. Touche.
Tuesday.
No,
See?
not my axe! Oh, okay, good.
Ah!
Stop
Okay.
punching me!
Sorry.
Right
Stop it!
now!
Stop it! I'll reveal your secret place.
No. Oh,
Okay, then stop hitting me.
no, you can't reveal it because I have the camera. Suck it.
I could still like secretly like as you're looking towards it, and then I'll like break the block. You're like, look, there's a ladder right here. And I'll explain where it is.
Nope. Okay, well, this
Okay,
is my
well
house.
let's see your life's work. Stop hitting me. Okay, I am about to die.
Oh, good. Okay,
No,
fine, I'll
not
stop.
good.
I'll stop.
You're gonna damage all my armor.
I know, but I'll stop. Okay, this. Oh,
Stop it. How dare you? Stop it.
okay. This is my house.
This is amazing, Tyke. The
Thank you.
beginning of what will be the end.
Okay, now I'm gonna go up that. Whatever it's called, that's mountain on the
The
mountain.
waterfall.
Oh, not that.
Oh, the sky village.
I need a house of that too.
Yeah, you need a house up there. Maybe you can do it like next time.
Next time or right now? No, I'm just kidding.
That'll be such a long video. It's like a 2-hour long video.
Yeah.
Sky Village, here we come. So, in the new update, if you haven't seen already, where's a snowman? You can shear pumpkin heads off snowmen, and it'll turn them into adorable little faces. What are you doing, Tyke?
Nothing.
No! What are you doing?
Nothing.
I will die if I fall from here. Tyke! Tyke! Tyke. Naughty. Stop it. Stop it.
Ah, no, you're gonna punch me
Okay.
off.
Then you better run away from me.
I am. No!
Who wants to see my house?
Oh,
Silly
that
goose.
XP.
You're silly.
Shut up. What?
Nothing.
I got 7 back. You gotta be kidding me.
I only have 1.
Well, yeah, 'cause you used yours. That doesn't count.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go jump off.
You better and die.
I hope I don't land on a lily pad. Nope, that would be on Andrew's house. But for a little more. You watching, Tyke?
No, I'm gonna come with you.
See you.
Stay there. Stay there.
1, 2, 3.
Did you see
Uno,
me stop?
dos, tres. On your mark, get set, go.
You're gonna fall off.
8, 3, 2, 4. What if I just shot my bow at you?
Try. I dare you.
I don't have any arrows.
Exactly.
I have a bow, but I don't have any arrows. I've always used them in combat.
I ran out of hunger right when I jumped, so yeah.
Uno, dos, tres.
No, I'm coming.
4, 5, 6.
No, stop.
Hello? Oh, you froze. You're like, doot, 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 doot. What are you doing?
Nothing. Okay. So.
Okay, place the boat down. Place the boat down, and then I'll hop in the boat with you.
Wait, you can go on land on a boat?
Yeah, you can place it on land.
Oh,
Place it on the stone right here. Yeah, but hey,
No,
what are you
I thought it would work.
doing? No.
Oh,
Chicken! 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 Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Chicken. We hate to see you go. Oh, I survived. Sucker. Come on down, you little goose.
Fine.
I want to see you jump right on my head. Hold on, wait. Oh wait, no, never mind. You can go.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Boing. No, don't get
Oh,
him.
you landed on my face. Wait, Ty, come back.
No!
Okay. Let's go, Ty. Let's ride off into the sunset.
I'm gonna take you in lava.
No, Tyke! Wait, no, you would die too. Tyke, no, this way, Tyke. Tyke. You're passing it, Tyke. Tyke, this is the way to Caleb's underwater house.
Underwater house or secret underwater house?
It's not secret. Everyone's seen it.
I know.
You know, you haven't seen that yet. I like that mountain.
Push
it has
shift
like a
real
bunch of
quick.
water thing.
Thank you. Now.
Why did I fall for that?
I don't know. But it was funny.
Oh my gosh.
Sucker. Oh, I could have used my points for Death Strider.
Yeah, you could. That's what you get when you make me press shift.
No, not. Stop talking. You're making things worse. No one likes you.
Stop punching me.
I
Tyke.
wasn't punching you. I was using my sword.
Stop slaying me with your sword. That does like no damage.
Okay. Well, thank you
You're
guys
gonna
for
waste the
watching.
durability.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Or no. Like if you already have, or no, subscribe if you already haven't, and please like this video. Next video, we will have fun killing Kai
Yes, we will.
on Sky Wars.
No. No.
Especially on Sky Wars.
No, not Sky Wars.
Anyway, we'll see you guys once we make another video. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.